Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 7th Standard English poem Froth and Bubbles, Comprehension and Vocabulary. Okay, let's start. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. If you like our videos, please click the like button. C1. Answer in a sentence each. What should not be done according to the poet? The answer is we should not ask the questions. Who should be helped? The answer is we should help every weak neighbor or those who are in need. Third one. What should not be asked for? The answer is we should not ask for help from anybody. Fourth one. Life, says the poet, is froth and bubble. Fifth one. In the poem, stone means. The answer is option C, strong feelings. Next heading C2. Discuss in pairs and answer. First one. According to the poet, what is life? The answer is according to the poet, the life is uncertain. The life is compared to the froth and bubble because life is also temporary and momentary like froth and bubble. Second one. When do the two things stand like stone? The answer is if we should kindness in another's trouble and we should be courageous in our own trouble or hardship of life. These two virtues are used in our life. It should stand like stone. Third one. What should we do till our goal is won? The answer is we should live patiently and do our work promptly, and we should not question until our goal is won. Discuss with the Next heading C3. Discuss with the teacher and answer. First one. What is the message of the poem? The answer is we should be kind towards others and have courage in doing the right thing with confidence. Kindness and courage are two good virtues. We should have it. Second one. According to this poem, what is our duty in this life? The answer is we should help those who need and do not expect or ask help from others. We should live to do our duty. Work hard until we reach our goal. Third one. Why do you think the poet has compared life to froth and bubble? The answer is kindness and courage are the two gentle emotions in nature, but if we use in our life, the fruit is strong and stands forever. For example, Mother Teresa's work and the patriots showed courage in the war field. So the poet compares these two gentle feelings to stone. Fourth one. Why does the poet compare gentle emotions to stone? The answer is kindness and courage are the two strong feelings Armand have. These two feelings are like rock, can withstand any natural calamity like tsunami, flood, etc. Likewise, these two feelings that you have should not go away, come what, even be the circumstances or situations. Next heading is C4. Learn more rhyming words. Fill in the blanks by picking the rhyming words from the poem and add more words to the list. One is done for you. A word in the poem, the word which rhymes, other words that rhyme. These are the words in the poem and the words which rhymes here and the other words that rhyme. Labor, neighbor, harbor. One, none, done or sun. Bubble, trouble, marble. Like that, stone, cone, loan. Certain, caption, maintain. Next heading C5. Think about the poem. Which line do you like in this poem and why? The answer is, I like this line. Life is mostly froth and bubble. Because whether wish or not, do it at that moment. Second one. Discuss kindness and courage with your friend. It is a self-assessment for you. You have to discuss with your friend about kindness, vinayate, and courage, that is dhairya. You have to discuss with your friend. Third one, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. Do you know who said this? This inspiring statement is given by the great saint of India, Swami Vivekananda. Collect the sayings of great people of India and display them in your classroom. This is also a self-assessment. You have to collect the pictures of a great people of India like Swami Vivekananda and show them in your classroom and discuss about the people, okay? And discuss about those people. Thus the comprehension is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.